Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create subtasks in Trello using checklist items. This is a crucial skill to master to help manage projects more efficiently. To kick things off, you'll need to navigate to the particular card where you want to add subtasks. This is the starting point because each card represents a task, and the subtasks are the smaller steps required to complete that task. Once you're in the card, look for the Checklist button on the right-hand side menu. Click this and a new checklist will appear. The reason we do this is because checklists serve as the perfect tool for breaking down a task into manageable, bite-sized subtasks. Now you'll want to add your subtasks. Simply type the name of the subtask into the Add an Item field and hit Enter. Repeat as necessary until all your subtasks are listed. Remember, the goal here is to organize your task into actionable items, so be as specific as possible with each subtask. But let's not stop there. Trello's power lies in its customization, so don't hesitate to assign each subtask to different members of your team or add due dates. This helps because it not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also ensures deadlines are met. Don't forget, you can also drag and drop to reorder your subtasks. This is important because it allows you to prioritize your work and visualize your progress as you check off each item. Now that we've got our subtasks set up, let me explain why this matters. By breaking down your tasks into subtasks, you're making your project more manageable. It's easier to focus on small, achievable goals, and it also makes tracking progress a breeze. And there you have it. You now know how to create Trello subtasks using checklist items. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your projects organized and your team on track. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every big task is just a series of small tasks waiting to be ticked off.